this video, we'll explore key concepts of evidence-based practice in HR and people management. Whether you're a student preparing for CIPD Level 5 or a professional looking to enhance your HR skills, this is the perfect starting point. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is evidence-based practice? In simple terms, it's a decision-making approach that integrates the best available evidence with professional expertise and business needs. In HR, this means using data, research, and analytics to make well-informed people decisions rather than relying on assumptions or personal opinions. This ensures HR policies and strategies are effective, fair, and aligned with business goals. The 4 sources of evidence. To truly embrace EBP, we rely on 4 key sources of evidence. First, scientific research. Peer-reviewed studies and industry reports provide reliable insights. Second, organizational data. Metrics like employee turnover, engagement surveys, and productivity reports. Third, stakeholder perspectives, feedback from employees, managers, and business leaders. Fourth, professional expertise. HR professionals' experience and judgment play a crucial role. By combining these, HR professionals make strategic, data-driven decisions that lead to better employee outcomes and business success. Key concepts in evidence-based practice. Let's break down some important keywords you need to know for CIPD Level 5 to 5CO02, Evidence-Based Practice. 1. Reliability and validity, ensuring HR data is accurate and trustworthy. 2. Critical thinking, evaluating sources objectively to make informed decisions. 3. Bias and objectivity, avoiding personal biases in HR decision-making. 4. Correlation versus causation, understanding if trends indicate a direct relationship or just coincidence. 5. Key performance indicators, metrics used to measure HR success. Understanding these concepts will help you apply evidence-based approaches effectively in your HR career. So, why evidence-based practice matters in HR? Well, HR decisions impact real people and business outcomes. Without evidence-based practice, organizations risk 1. Making biased hiring decisions. 2. Implementing ineffective HR policies. 3. Misinterpreting employee engagement data. But with EBP, organizations can 1. Improve employee retention. 2. Enhance workforce productivity. 3. Align HR strategy with business growth. By using evidence-based methods, HR professionals gain credibility, solve problems effectively, and drive success. Now, let's talk about how you can apply evidence-based practice in HR. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Identify the HR issue, define the problem clearly. Step 2. Gather evidence, collect data from reliable sources. Step 3. Analyze the information, identify patterns and insights. Step 4. Make informed decisions, choose solutions backed by evidence. Step 5. Evaluate the impact, measure results and refine your approach. By following these steps, you can make HR more strategic, impactful, and data-driven. That's a wrap on our introduction to evidence-based practice. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to CIPD Expert, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming CIPD tutorials. Comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next video.